Hey y'all, it's Wednesday, so you know what that means, right? Mixers and talking about cooking and other fun stuff. Why? Because we're getting close to the weekend. So join me as we talk about stuff on What's Up Wednesday. Amy doesn't know that Mr. Amazon knocked on the door earlier. Amy's not feeling too well, so that's why I'm kind of subbing in for her. But I think that we're in the clear. She knows it's coming, but she doesn't know it's here yet. But guess what we got? We got our Kenmore Elite. Yay! So what's that mean? We're going to be doing an unboxing, but as a special for you only, we're going to go ahead and open up and get to the retail box. Does this sound like fun? I think so. We've only been waiting like this for, what, 6 months or so? So, 6 months? 6 weeks, excuse me. So, Amy hates these box cutters, but I love them. So this is the Kenmore Elite Ovation. This is the one that's got the, what do you call that? The cover thing so you don't get flour all over. You got to pour your stuff through the hole, and it's supposed to, I don't know, be a one-of-a-kind mixer. So I'm excited, right? So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. So, oh, it's purple, all right, or red, something. Oh yeah, this thing weighs like 30 pounds. Ooh. Don't try this at home. Oh, I was gonna let gravity do my work for me. Oh, will it? Oh, ow! It actually hurts. Ooh, they got like directions and stuff on the bottom. This side up when opening. Well, there you go. They figured it out for me. So, oh, this thing is still heavy. Oh, helps to get the flaps out of the way. All right, Kenmore, they made that easy for me, right? Once you follow directions. So, oh, this is so pretty. All right, the fun part of sorts. We only get to look at the box because Amy's not here and I wouldn't want to step on her toes, right? But as you can see, this thing's got all kinds of features. Well, first of all, let's look at the side of the box here. Comes with a 5-quart glass bowl and lid, flat beater, dough hook, wire whisk. So we don't know if this stuff's made of burnished aluminum or stainless steel. We have no idea. We won't know until we open this up. It's got the easy pour funnel. It's got a 360 splash guard. That's the thing that goes around here. And it's got an egg separator and some grater thing that goes in there. So, yeehaw. Oh, 5-year warranty. 500 watts. 500 watts doesn't really mean much to us because 300 watts can do a pretty good job if it's designed to use them right? We've seen some mixers do wonderfuls and we've seen mixers die. So we'll see, right? We'll do some bread, see if we can kill it. This is a close-up of how pretty it is. This thing does weigh 30 pounds and it feels like it. So it's got the splash guard. It's got 5-quart glass bowl. Glass is cool. It's got 10 speeds and it's got all the stuff we just saw on the side. And this thing is patented where you can pour through the top. And here's an action shot of that. Oh! So they're pouring their ingredients through the top into the bottom there. So we'll just have to try that out and see how wonderful that is, right? So this is the Kenmore Elite Ovation that we've waited like a month plus for it, and we got it. It came today, And Amy is aware it's supposed to be here, but she hasn't seen it yet. So we'll see if we can surprise her, right? Yay! All right. Well, What's Up Wednesday would be complete without some meat. In this case, I got some USDA Prime, which I rarely buy, but Giant had some. This is a prime beef roast. We're going to be doing a sous vide cooking. In fact, I'm going to be taking this out and getting some salt and pepper and stuff all on it and let it sit in the fridge and get happy. And then we're going to do what you're supposed to, right? Bring it out for about an hour to get to room temperature, throw it in some plastic water bath thing for like 2-3 hours, depending on the weight, and then pull it out, hit it on the stove at a high temperature so we get a nice little crust on it, and then dig in. So I'm looking forward to that. And I thought, why not? All right, so this is a chuck roast USDA Prime. So yeah, it's kind of expensive because it's $7.99 a pound. I'm not excited because, I don't know, I thought this was like some fancy meat. And Amy goes, oh, it's just chuck. I'm like, of course it's not chuck. Because chuck you would just grind up, make hamburger out of, right? Face it, most chuck at the store is USDA Choice. And it's in the $4, maybe $5 a pound range, right? And I'm basically paying a little bit more than that. But look at all the marbling on this. It looks pretty, right? I think it looks nice. Now, would I sit there and grind this up and make hamburgers? No. Although there is a hamburger place down the street that would do that. But this, I plan on using the sous vide and get some really nice thin cuts of meat that is really flavorful, because I'm going to go ahead and put some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic and let it kind of get all nice and crusty for the better part of a day, maybe 2, and it's going to look really pretty, and I think it's really going to be tasty. I'm going to share all that with you, so but at least you get to see up front what I'm going to be doing here. So I'm happy, and guess what? It's Wednesday, so what's that mean? Weekend's almost here. I'm happy. I hope you guys are. I don't know. I'm going to cut up. I'm going to have a good time with it. Chuck roast is really flavorful because it's got a lot of fat, marbling. In this case, it's got a really decent amount. I used to get some stuff over at Sam's Club or big box store that has some, but it's really uneven. So when you cut it up and try to make stew meat out of it, some pieces are nice and some pieces are questionable. This one here, it's really spread all over the place. But I still think this would probably be, I don't know. I think we can have a good time slicing this up. Amy doesn't think so, but I think I can. Besides, I'm going to have a fun time with it. So it's Wednesday. I hope you guys are all having a good week. Amy will be back next week with her What's Up Wednesday. We are going to be doing some unboxings. We're going to have a couple of things we're going to be doing. We'll have the sous vide up. I'm doing some chicken and potatoes. She bought me some limes the other day. I think that's a hint that she wants me to make limeade. So we'll get that going as well. So I hope you guys are just having a great time. And we'll be back with What's Up Wednesday with Amy next week. I just want to say thank you very much for joining us. We're on social media down below. And I hope you have a great weekend. See you next week. I have no idea what to say.